Welcome to the Coins, Cashflow, and Conversations podcast, hosted by Upstate Essential Solutions. If you need help with your personal finances, struggling, it's the holiday season, check out my website at dakotagrady.com to get resources to help you with your finances. And if you're a nurse practitioner entrepreneur, med spa owner, or esthetician entrepreneur, and you need help with accounting and taxes for your business, I'm your guy too. Check out my website for resources about bookkeeping and taxes at dakotagrady.com. Hey y'all, welcome to the show. Today we're talking about a money plan for your life. What is a money plan? Why do you need one? How do you create one? Great question, y'all. Well, first and foremost, according to Career Builder, 78% of people in America, that's right, the US, are struggling financially. And one reason I wholeheartedly believe why people struggle is because they don't do what I call a money plan, a budget. That's right, y'all. A budget is simply a plan for your money. So if you don't have a plan for your money, you're gonna be broke. It's that simple, y'all. And people plan for weddings, they plan for school, having children, going on vacation. They plan for all those things, but they don't plan for their money. They don't have a plan of what they want to do with their money each and every month. And that's why I believe wholeheartedly why people struggle financially, because they don't do a monthly money plan. I've been married for over 15 years, y'all, and one reason why I think we're still married today is because we do a money plan. My wife and I would discuss our finances together every month, and we do a budget because it's important. You will never outgrow the need to have a budget. One guy told me, man, he said, I don't have any debt, so I don't need that. I don't need to budget my money. And wrong answer, brother. Everyone needs a money plan. Everyone needs a budget. Doesn't matter how much you make. What's important is how well you manage what you make. I'll say it again. You can make 6 figures and be broke because you don't manage your finances. You need to manage how much you're earning each and every month, whether you're making minimum wage or you're making 6 figures or 8 figures. It doesn't matter. Make sure you have a money plan. So again, money plan is simply a budget, telling money what to do every single month, giving it an assignment. That's right, giving your money an assignment every month, telling it where to go when you earn it. That's right. So what is a money plan? I just told you what it is. Plan for your money. That's simple. Secondly, why do you need one? Well, every month you need to have a money plan because every month changes. Right now, it's Christmas Day, December 25th, right? So you had gift giving, right? You went shopping for a gift for Christmas for your kids, grandkids, your parents, cousins, aunties, uncles, nieces, nephews, your family, your friends. You went shopping, right? And hopefully you had a plan for your money. Well, next month is the New Year, so more likely you might have a plan to go out of town for the holiday, celebrate New Year's, right? Maybe you have birthdays coming up. I'm a January baby, so maybe you have somebody in your life who has a birthday in January. Or maybe you want to catch some after Christmas sales, right? Fast forward to, say, April, tax season, right? Well, if you get a refund, hopefully you have a plan for the refund in April, right? And then you come to May, people may be getting out of school, graduations, weddings. You have all these events, and each month needs a new budget. That's right. Every month is different. December is different from May. You're right. Holiday season during December, graduation season is in May, in June as well, depending on whether you're talking about college or high school or both. But my whole point is make sure you have a plan for your money every month. That's right. You'll never outgrow the need to budget your money, so do a budget every month, right? Because it's important to know where your money is going, give an assignment every month, and it's a bad feeling of not knowing where you're spending your money every month. So make sure you do a money plan. So you know what a money plan is, why you need one, and lastly, how do you do a money plan? I'm glad you asked. Well, first what you need to do is get your bank statement for the previous month. Right now it's December, so you will do a budget for January because it's almost the end of the month of December. So you will look at your bank statement and say, what did I spend my money on? What are my fixed expenses? Mortgage, rent, right? Car insurance, right? Those things are fixed. Utilities, they're fixed too, but they vary in terms of the amounts. You may not pay the same amount you paid for your light bill or electricity bill that you did last month, because you may have paid more in November, December than you would pay, say, in March, maybe, or even April. So those may be variable. So what things can be variable? Again, utilities can be variable, even though they're fixed, you pay them every month. The amount you pay varies, right? So it can be variable depending on how you look at it. Again, fixed would be your mortgage, pay the same amount every month, right? You also pay, say you have a rent payment, same amount every month. Now when the year changes, you may have a rent change in terms of the amount you pay, but it's a fixed amount you pay every month. Now, you may have food, that may vary. You may have a set amount you pay, or you want to budget every month, but that could be an amount that could be, you can say I would say it's fixed too. You gotta have food. I would say make sure you have food, clothing, shelter, transportation, and housing. Those are the things you need to have that are always on your budget. Utilities, again, that's a part of it. Make sure you got your lights on, your water running. Make sure you pay your water bill, roof over your head, whether it be a mortgage or your rent. You want to have food, not dining out now. We're talking about strictly for eating at home. Dining out is a luxury, all right? It's a luxury. You don't need that. It's a luxury. You need to eat at home though. Take your food for lunch as well. Brown bag it, y'all. That's right, brown bag your lunches. And then make sure you got quality transportation to get to and from work, school, wherever you need to go to live life. That's right. But make sure those things are taken care of on your money plan every month. And again, you may have some hair care. Could be one thing that's variable. Toiletries are fixed, but they may vary in terms of the amount you spend. Cleaning could be a variable expense as well. You may not have to get cleaning every month. You may get cleaning every 3-6 months. It depends on the amount you clean and then how often you clean as well. So get your variable expenses and fixed expenses every month that you pay, and then you want to put them in categories. Look at how much you've earned for the month. All right, start with the earnings for the month. That means take-home pay, money you bring home. Put it at the top of your list. You may use a spreadsheet or plain old pen and paper. That's right, or a pencil and an eraser and a calculator. Use those things. If you're going old school, y'all, I want you to use pencil, paper, and a calculator as well as an eraser, because I want you to get in the habit of doing the monthly plan in writing, because it gives you the training you need so that you'll make it a habit. Once you start doing it 3 months, then transition to something that's online, like a budget software, so that you can make your life more easier. But right now, get you a piece of paper, pencil, eraser, and a calculator. So right now, your monthly income for the month on paper, and then you start with your fixed expenses. Also, I want to encourage you to put down the amount you give. You may do some giving. So start with this first, income, and then you want to budget for your giving. Then you want to pay yourself, whether you pay yourself savings, you want to save for a house or a new vehicle, going out of town, or maybe save for a rainy day fund. Make sure you pay yourself. And then you want to pay bills. Pay you for your housing, utilities, food, and then you pay for your transportation. And then you pay for everything else. Car insurance, phone bill. Want to pay for, again, toiletries, hair care, those things. Then you also want to put your amount of debt you have on your budget as well. because you want to include your monthly debt and your monthly expenses as well. So once you calculate everything, tally up all your expenses for the month, and then at the bottom of your budget or your money plan, you want to subtract all your expenses from your monthly income. The whole goal is to have income minus your monthly expenses equals 0. That's right. Income minus your monthly expenses should be 0. That means you're living within your means. You're living within the income that you've earned. Now, the problem you may have the first 3 months until you start really using your money plan, you may have more outgo, that is expenses, than income. More likely you're using credit to make up the difference. So what I encourage you to do is, if you have more expenses than income, I want to encourage you to either make more money, 1, 2, reduce your expenses, that means reduce your lifestyle, or 3, do the both. Meaning make more money and reduce your expenses. That's simple, y'all. So if you have more, if you say you make $8,000, right? But you're on the budget for $4,000. The money you don't give up an assignment, a job to do for you, will disappear. And then you wonder where the rest of your money went. If you don't give your money an assignment, it'll run away and do what it wants to do. So I want to assure you that if you don't do a money plan and budget all your money, it'll go away. So give your money an assignment so that you can, that's right, so that you can not be broke. So I hope this is helpful for you. I want to encourage you all, do your money plan. The money plan will help you reach all your goals financially, help you pay off debt, help you save for whatever you want to save for. But make sure you do your money plan every single month, y'all. I guarantee you, you'll be happy you did, because you'll have more control of your finances and not be wondering where your money went to every month. So check it out. Do it for 3 months and see if you won't change your lifestyle financially. Make sure you do your money plan, y'all. It's that simple. And if you need somebody to hold you accountable, I'm your guy. Contact me for accountability at dakotagrady.com. Sign up for financial coaching so I can be your coach to help you get your finances in order and be able to keep you on track. Because there's no sense of you knowing what to do and you aren't going to do it. So I help you stay accountable to your plan so that you can reach your goals, because it's about me helping you reach your goals and living a life of abundance. That's right, y'all. Living a life of abundance. So this is the this is the Coins, Cashflow, and Conversations podcast. I hope this was beneficial to you. I hope you also subscribe, like, and share this information with your family, friends, whoever it may be. Y'all, this is the Coins, Cashflow, and Conversations podcast coming to you from Christmas Day. Merry Christmas to y'all around the world, no matter who you are, where you are. God bless you. This episode is sponsored by Upstate Essential Solutions. Contact me today at dakotagrady.com for help with personal finances, getting your money plan started, and keep you accountable to it. And also, if you need help with your accounting and taxes for your business, if you're a med spa owner, nursepreneur, nurse practitioner entrepreneur, and an esthetician entrepreneur, let me help you get your finances in order with your business. Contact me today at dakotagrady.com.